Hey, we're going to learn how to use Flipgrid today. So make sure you have your computer, a pencil, a piece of paper, and always bring your positive attitude. Double check that you have those things right now, and we'll get started. Okay, so there's two ways to get onto Flipgrid. One is by clicking a link that your teacher would send you. The other way is by entering this code, and that is what we are going to do today. So go ahead, and I want you to write down this code on your piece of paper with your pencil so that you remember it. We're going to need it in a minute. All right, so here's what we need to do. We need to go to flipgrid.com. So first we're gonna open up a web browser. That can be Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, whatever web browser you use. And you are going to type in flipgrid.com and go to that web page. Okay. Now, when you have typed that in and you see this page, you are going to write done in the Zoom chat, all right? You need to do this now, and if you have any questions, please type it in the Zoom chat or ask the teacher by raising your hand. Okay, so we should all be on this screen now. This is where you're going to enter that code that you wrote down. So go ahead and click that box where it says enter a join code, and you're going to enter that code there. And once you finish typing that in, you can click that blue arrow, and that should take you to this page. So I want everybody to do that now. Go ahead, and when you've done that, type done in the Zoom chat. It's not a race, we just want to see who's the fastest. On this page, you need to read what's being asked of you and record your response. So what's being asked of you in this particular case is you are just going to say what your favorite song is. So you can tell me that in your response. You can click on that record button or this record button. I'm going to click on that one. It looks like a camera. And then you record. You click anywhere on the screen and then click the camera button. And once you click that camera button, you're recording.
Hey Miss Hay, my favorite piece to listen to right now is a piece of classical music, Shostakovich's Fifth Symphony.
All right, when I'm all done recording, I hit that camera button again, and that stops the recording. I can redo it if I want, but I'm going to hit that green arrow to go next, and this is where I can review my recording. So you can edit this from here, but we're not going to do that today. You're just going to hit that green arrow button that says next. Okay, so go ahead and hit that button. And now I need to click that green arrow that says next again. When you've done that, it's going to take you to a page that asks you to take a selfie. So we will pause there. Now, everybody is going to record their response. And if you have any questions or need any help, now is a great time to ask a teacher either through the Zoom chat or by raising your hand. We are here to help you, and we want this to be 100%. Don't forget to type selfie in the Zoom chat when you are all done. Ready to take our selfie. So you click the screen and click that camera button to take your picture, and then you're going to click that green arrow button next. Totally optional, but you can add an emoji if you want by clicking effects, emoji. I'm going to pick that one, and if you click and drag, it will make it bigger or smaller. I'm going to make it the size of my face. Again, this is completely optional. Oh, looks super cool. So click that green arrow button, and that takes you to this page. You're going to type in your full name and hit submit. And you are all done. You can hit the complete button if you want, but you are done once you see this page. We're going to do that right now. Take your selfie, click next. You can add in your emoji if you want to do that. That's completely optional. And then type your name and submit. When you are all done, type success in the Zoom chat so we know you're done. And again, if you have any questions, just